Which is the basic unit of life? Organ, organ system, cell. Cell. Which part of the plant makes food? Root, leaf, stem. Leaf. Which gas do plants take in during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. Carbon dioxide. What do we call animals that eat only plants? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores. Which organ pumps blood in human body? Kidney, brain, heart. Heart.